kayong lahat. Ako po si Gerald Santos.
And this is Shane Rehis.
Iniimbitahan po namin kayo para sa 58th Araw ng Nunungan. Bukas na po yan, June 27. Ayan.
So, magkita-kita pa ninyong tanan because this is our first time. It's your first time, diba?
Yes, this is also my first time here. Kaya magkita-kita po tayo, okay?
Thank you so much, Mayor Marcos Mamay. Mamay love.
Thank you, bro. Marcos Mamay, Mayor. Maraming salamat po.